UAE, a country where millions of foreigners go every year with one goal: earning money and building a better future. Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Sharjah, modern cities, tall buildings, and tax-free income. But here's the reality. Some people succeed and save a lot of money, while others struggle and return back. So the real question is UAE actually a smart place to work in 2026? And how can you get a UAE work visa the right way? Because the truth is, most people come without a plan, and that's where they fail. Today, we're going to break down the complete UAE work visa system, including jobs, salaries, visa process, costs, and real ground reality. Because if you understand this properly, UAE can become a powerful opportunity. First, you need to understand one thing clearly. UAE does not give work visas directly. You must have a job offer. Your employer is responsible for your visa. Here's how the process works. You get a job offer, company applies for your work permit, entry permit is issued, you enter UAE, medical plus Emirates ID, residency visa stamped. This is the standard process. Now let's talk about jobs. UAE has opportunities for all levels: low-skilled jobs, construction, cleaning, delivery, security; mid-level jobs, sales, office assistant, customer service; high-skilled jobs, IT, engineering, finance, management. Now comes the most important part: salary. Salaries in UAE vary a lot. Low-skilled, $800 to $1,500 per month. Mid-level, $1,500 to $3,000 per month. High-skilled, $3,000 to $7,000 plus. Now here's the powerful part. UAE has zero income tax. This means you keep what you earn. But here's the reality. Cost of living is high, especially in Dubai. Rent, transport, and food can take a big portion of your income. Now let's talk about cost of living. If company provides accommodation, transport, then your savings increase a lot. If not, expenses can be high. Now comes visa duration. Work visas are usually 2 to 3 years, renewable as long as you have a job. Now let's talk about long-term options. UAE does not give traditional PR easily, but it offers long-term visas like the Golden Visa, 5 to 10 years, for skilled professionals, investors, and high earners. Now let's talk about job hunting strategy. This is where most people fail. Many people come on visit visa and search for jobs. This is risky because no guarantee of job, high living cost during search. Smart strategy is to apply online from your country, secure job first, then move. Now here's the biggest mistake people make. They trust agents blindly, pay large amounts without verification. This leads to scams. Now let's talk about the real strategy. If you want to move to UAE, follow this. Identify your skill level, apply through verified job portals, avoid fake agents, target companies directly. Now here's the truth most people don't understand. UAE is not a guaranteed success country. It is a performance-based country. If you work smart, you grow fast. If not, you struggle. UAE is best for fast earning, career growth, and international exposure, but not ideal for permanent settlement in most cases. So the final decision depends on you, your skills, your job plan, your expectations. UAE is not just a country, it is a competition, and if you play it right, you can win big. If you want deep global analysis and practical insights about countries, visas, immigration, cost of living, jobs, salaries, student pathways, and real-life opportunities, make sure you subscribe to the World Guide, like this video, and share your thoughts in the comments so you can plan smarter for your future.